Okay, back live, hopefully. Are we? Are we actually? No, I'm not live. Okay. Can you check too? Okay, so I'm hitting plus to load all the comments. It's plus. To load all the comments. That's me live. I think that's gonna be it. So what we can do is, now that we have all of it here, we are going into the console. And let's see, we want all of the Mr. Right? So let's see, our list is gonna be document, something selector, query selector, and then the class. Let's have a look at what we got here. That's just one. So then we want to have, oh, look at this. This was the previous one that I did once before. Query selector all. It's still the same. Does it still apply? Let's make this one smaller. Yes, it does still apply. XQ, XQT, and then Mr. 508. And then H3, because we have within this one, we have somewhere an H3, and that will have the username here, like there. So this is going to be the username. What we also want to see is whether he has tagged and written the correct comment, right? So let's see, we have the H3 and we have the span that we want.
He says this is how it says, but then I have the same.
This is how you should see it.
What is this?
This is OBS. It's fine. It should be like that.
On our phones?
Oh, on the phone actually. Desktop.
Okay. So move from.
But I'm on this one and it's fine.
Oh, you can see actually, right? Yeah.
But then,
You see?
No, but it's changing.
Because I'm changing back and forth between the desktops. It's always
This
recording.
one just laggy.
Yeah, there is a delay. Okay, guys, can you see the code actually?
Okay.
Let me see. Let me go on YouTube as well. And pull up the comments because I'm not seeing them. So, okay, now good. Okay, perfect. Great. Good. Sounds good. So once again, we want a list, right? So we get all of it. And then for each list element, we want to print the position and the text content of the element, which is just a, let's put it over here, a function. So this will give us the position and the name. However, we will not have the... Oh, we can check it. We can check that. Comments, we can remove that. We don't need that. this is gonna be random, but this is still, if we, for example, print this, you will see we have some of them double, because some of you commented twice. It's not a problem at all. Just protect your investment, and that's all good. So what we want to do is we want to see if actually JavaScript has the possibility of a set. JavaScript set based on an array. Let's do that. Array to set. Base, probably just passing it in, but who knows? Yeah, thought so. So what we're gonna do is, as you can see, we have twice Alan Christopher Turing, right? If we say var basically list, we overwrite the formulas to a set list. This should give us everyone just once. Mother of goodness. Like this. You are overriding current access token. That means some of the others. That's not me. What? This is the right chat. What do you mean? I put the comment on it. I already answered that.
Oh, you did?
Yes, I did.
Sorry.
There's no issue with having protect your investment, capital or lowercase. So once again, we can do that. Let's just have another and say L instead. And then also L over here. New. Ah, god damn it, JavaScript. So now we still have two. Why though? Okay. We might have to map all of it into just the names, which we can do. Let's just do that. So let's map all of it. Element. Into just the text content. It's not a function. Are you sure? Am I missing something? We can also do the map here. T is gleich l.map. Let's try again. Map is not a function. Okay, JavaScript. Map should be there. Higher order functions. Yeah.
Are you taking it out? Or not?
Yes. It's an array. But maybe l.map is not a function. That might just be because, let's see. Today we are going to pick a winner. I don't know why this is behaving so weird here, but this is an array. So I wonder it would not do what I want to do. Map is not a function. I know. But it is a node list. Maybe that's the issue. Let's see. Seems not to be an array if it's a node list. Query select all is the node list, not array. Thanks, yes. Yes, we just got to that too. There we go, array from node list. Maybe this is something we can use then. Yes, okay, so then, let's see if we can override it. Yes, we can, which we also should be able to. Oh, can't post links, lol. Yeah, sorry, I think this is restricted. So then we can say text content, right? And now we should have all the names. We can even do now list.for each. And then element index. One sec, what function element index. So we have it. Wow, no. This is something I don't like, as if I hit once too often down arrow, we're missing all our code. Okay, so for each, let's use arrow functions here too. Let's see if that works. Whoops. It does. So we have it twice and twice and 4 times and 2 times. And let's try to eliminate the doubles, the double entries by, so we have it twice here, right? By overriding list once again with a new set of list. Now we have everything just once. All the comments just once. Exactly what we wanted. Let's see. Now we want to have a random pick, random commenter. This is a test run, right? The pick right now is not the final pick. Random commenter is not a number. Hey, what's up? My random. Based on list length times. Let's see what we have had. This was once the final solution, but it was not perfect. And something is different from this one. What language is this built on? This is JavaScript right now in the console, right away. So let's have a look. We have a set, we do for each and whatnot. We do the math random as well, based on the list length. Am I still online? No rip Livestream. So data plan just made some. Back live? It's a bit laggy now. Yeah, we're back. Nice. Hey, listen. Hey, listen is undefined. Why is the length undefined? Maybe it's set. Length. JavaScript length of set. Size. Okay, so welcome JavaScript. So a set does not have the property length, but probably just size. There we go. Let's test it another round. Okay, so this works. Look. Let's do another test round. We have commenter 36, commenter 82, and what we want to do is, since we don't know, if we look at the list, we don't know which position this one is or this one is, right? So what we want to do is when we log each commenter, we also want to get the index. So we will have to get both parameters and say position is I for X. And we don't have it because, isn't it index? One would think we would get the index as the second parameter passed into for each, because that was how it was. Position Angelo for Angelo. Oh, interesting. Let's just do this instead of arrow functions. Still the same. Which it should, but I don't trust. We can remove this one, this line. So, what am I doing wrong? Let's check back in the days. We would do for each element index, it's the same. Position, index, element, text, content. This is literally the same. List for each index and then Is it because it's a set? Let's see. If we can do an array back out of it again. Yes, we can. Okay, so it's because of set, and set doesn't have an index? Hey Martin, how are you gonna check if one mentions someone or not? We can check the comment, I think. I mean, we can also code it to also print what he mentioned, this guy, right? But let's just check it manually. It's quicker. So we have a random, so we have a position for each comment, right? And now this is the one array. This is not everything we need. We need also Susie, the comments from Susie.
I think you needed me.
We also need Susie.
Oh, that's me.
She's right next to me here. Support. She's actually telling me the code. I'm just the puppet executing.
That's why the code is wrong.
Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing here. Just enter. So we have 52, no, wait a second, 84 over here and 99 over here, right? And now we want to have all of them together in one. How are we going to do that? Well, what we can do is simply, if we have the array again, just do this one, right? Just lock the array, right? This one, and copy it. We should be able to copy it. Where is this? Like this. This is unique already. This is all the commenters of Susie, and we are going to declare a variable, right? Because we have a set. And the thing is, this was already unique for Susie and unique for me. However, if there's a comment on Susie and a comment on me from the same person, that's fine. There are two persons allowed in summary if they have commented on both pictures, doubling the chance to taking the chance to double their chance to win the sleeve, which I'm basically using every day. It's still here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we have the array and we're gonna just list append. I think this should work like that. Let's see. List append is not a function. JavaScript array. Oh, we can use the spread operator probably. Yeah. Let's just check double anyway. Double. Yeah. Merge two arrays. Concat. All right. Hope you had a great day. Luca Bockmann, thank you. Day has been long, but successful. Client meeting, if you haven't seen the story. I hope you have had a great day too at 8 miles. Okay, look, now we have, let's see, why we still have on 99. We are, oh yeah, this concat, and we have to reassign probably. Now we have 184, which makes sense. And now we have some of them. Can we just, I'm just curious whether we can list sort A smaller than B. I don't know whether this works. It's just random. No. Oh yeah. A and B. Do we have double entries? Do I see anywhere a second entry? I just want to make sure I do have 2 entries of the same person. Autumn River, I have seen her once again somewhere here. Which confirms we do have 2 entries of the same person at least. At max as well, should be at max 2. I have a double entry, Dave T. Yeah, let's see. Oh, if you say you have a double entry, we can check actually, right? We should be able to check, which means list for each function element index if yeah, if the element is equal to Dave D Darren or die Darren, right? Then it should console log, which should get us 2 logs. Let's have a look. Oh, am I doing it before the thing here? Let's do this. Nah, illegal return. God damn it, JavaScript. So we should have up here, and we don't, because how do you said it first was right? How you said it? Dave D. Darren. Okay, cool. But I cannot find you. Let's see. Oh, I have a closing. Let's check again. There we go, 2 entries. Awesome. That confirms it works. So we have a set of Susie, set of mine, together at max 2 entries, which doubles your chance to win. And now we can actually pick. So let's remove that check over here. Who's gonna win? Nice, Keta could help. Yeah. So let's pick the winner of the Harbor giveaway. Are we waiting for something? Do we want to do something? Drum. $32. 32. Let's see who it is. 32 is Moritz Ra. Now, yes, now we have to check. First, here we go, Moritz Ra. We have to check whether you have written the right comment and tagged the person, and also we have to check whether you are following me, Susie Bytes, and Harbor London. So let's do that. Everyone else who's not Moritz Ra and right now hoping he has not done everything right.
Let's hope he didn't.
Yeah, we can sit here all night. Okay, do you want to check as well? Moritz, it's this one.
Please check Harbor. He's following me.
Okay. He is, let's say, Moritz.
He's probably following them right now.
Just like quickly. Moritz
He's
Ra.
following them too.
He's nice. Okay, so he's following all the profiles already, and now let's check the comment. Which should be, if he's 32, should be pretty far up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, she only got 1 entry, right? Or actually 2. There you go. See, that's why, because we have so many double comments, we use the set function to clear that out to make it fair, right? Okay, so where is Moritz?
He commented on mine.
He did?
Yeah. He
That's it already.
That's
That's it already. He just had to comment on 1. Awesome. Okay, cool.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. So I'm gonna reach out to you and gonna get your contact information so we can forward that and you can pick something from Harbor London, right?
The laptop sleeve.
Pick the laptop sleeve from Harbor London, which is really awesome. Like, I use it every day. Okay guys, thanks for watching, thanks for joining, thanks for actually participating too. The plans are, yeah, congrats Moritz. The plans are that we are gonna have giveaways quite frequently, but we are trying to make them valuable. So
We have a book coming up next.
we have a book coming up next. So
Coding book. Or
it's
coding, kind of like programming.
yeah, it's definitely related for everyone who is into mobile development and if you really want to grasp the whole field. So keep an eye on our profiles, Susie Bytes as well as my profile. And then, enter again the giveaway and we are gonna live stream it again and see us then. Yeah.
Bye.
All right, guys. Thanks for joining again and let me end the stream.